My dear students, I am going to teach you class 3 science. The chapter is animals and plants. Before I start something new, I wish to tell you about the previous class. In short, cats, dogs, and tigers are living things. When you call out to a dog, it comes running to you. Mangoes, apples, and bananas, when they are growing on trees, are also living things. Yet, however much you may call a ripe mango high up on the tree, it will not come down. Though both animals and plants are living things, they are different from each other in many ways. Animals move about from place to place. Why do birds fly from one place to another? Why does a lion roam about in the jungle? They move in search of food. On the other hand, most plants are fixed to the ground. They do not have to search for food, they make their own food. Animals eat plants and other animals. Animals cannot make their own food. Animals like cows and buffaloes eat grass, elephants eat sugar cane, and so on. Animals like lions, tigers, and cats eat other animals. However, green plants make their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. Only non green plants like moles and mushrooms get their food from dead and rotting matter. Animals breathe through lungs, gills, or air holes. Animals like horses, tigers, and whales breathe through their lungs. Fishes have gills which help them to breathe in water. Insects like cockroaches, flies, and butterflies have air holes on their bodies which help them to breathe. Plants breathe through the tiny pores on their leaves. Animals have sense organs. Animals have sense organs like skin, eyes, nose, ears, and tongue. These organs help them to know about the world around them. Plants do not have sense organs. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. Some animals, like birds and snakes, lay eggs. Some animals, like cats and cows, give birth to their young ones. Most plants produce seeds. These seeds give rise to new plants. Some new plants grow from a part of the plant, like stem and roots. Do animals and plants different from each other? They depend on each other to live. Animals and plants share this wonderful world with us. If there are just enough plants, just enough plant eating animals, and just enough flesh eating animals in the world, there is a balance in nature. When there are too few animals of a kind, like the tiger, this balance gets disturbed. When you cut down too many trees without planting new ones, once again this balance gets disturbed. So we should protect animals like the tiger. We should also grow more trees. Let us answer. A. Take the correct answer. Number 1. These animals eat other animals. Options: A. Lions and tigers. B. Cows and buffaloes. C. Lions and cows. The answer is lions and tigers. 2. Moles and mushrooms are: A. Green plants. B. Non-green plants. C. Green animals. The answer is non-green plants. 3. Most plants breathe through tiny pores on their options: A. Flowers. B. Roots. C. Leaves. The answer is leaves. Number 4. These animals lay eggs. Options: horses and tigers, birds and snakes, cats and cows. So the answer is birds and snakes. Number 5. We share this beautiful world with options: A. Only plants, only animals, plants and animals. We share this beautiful world with plants and animals. In this exercise, I have done only two. Number 1 and 2, I put the tick as the correct answer, and the rest of the answers you try to solve at home. If you cannot do, don't worry, I shall solve it in the next class. Number B, match the followings. 1. Plants cannot make food without this. 2. This animal breathes through its gills. 3. It grows from a seed. 4. Most plants breathe through this. And you have options like A. Fish, B. Tree, C. Sunlight, D. Stomata. Number C. Say whether it is a plant or an animal. Number 1. It has sense organs to know about the world around it. Number 2, it can make its own food in the presence of sunlight. Number 3, it breathes through lungs. Number 4, it moves from one place to another. Number D, answer these questions. Number 1, why do animals move from place to place? Answer, animals move from place to place in search of food. Number 2, from where animals get their food? Answer, animals cannot make their own food. Animals like cows and buffaloes eat grass, elephants eat sugarcane, and so on. Animals like lions, tigers, and cats eat other animals. Number 3, mention 3 different ways by which the living things breathe. Answer, 3 different ways by which the living things breathe are: animals like horses, tigers, and whales breathe through their lungs. Fishes have gills which help them to breathe in water. Insects like cockroaches, flies, and butterflies have air holes on their bodies which help them to breathe. Plants breathe through the tiny pores on their leaves. Question number 4. Mention 2 ways by which the animals reproduce. Answer, some animals like birds and snakes lay eggs. Some animals like cats and cows give birth to their young ones. Number 5. How is the balance maintained in nature? Answer, when there are too few animals of a kind like the tiger, the balance in nature gets disturbed. When you cut down too many trees without planting new ones, once again this balance gets disturbed. So we should protect animals like the tiger. We should also grow more trees. That means the balance in nature is maintained by making sure that there are just enough plants, just enough plant-eating animals, just enough flesh-eating animals in the world. That's all. Thank you.